Hi everybody, welcome to the Knuckles the Akenda Kids Martial Art lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to practice some moves that Knuckles used in Sonic 2. So we're going to get started with the warm-up. Chariot, Kinye. Awesome. All right, we're going to start with jumping jacks. You guys repeat nice and loud after me. I'm going to say Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Awesome. All right, we're going to swing left and right. I'm going to say Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Awesome. Good. All right. Now this time we're going to have our hands on our knees. Okay. We're going to turn our shoulders to one side. And we'll say Hana, do, set, net, toss it. Good job. Other side now. Hana, do, set, net, toss it. Good. Nice. Arms crossed. Sit down to the middle. And we'll say Hana, do, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right. Shake your hands. Shake your legs. Good. Chariot. Kinye. Awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance, 1 foot back, both ends up. Fighting stance. Awesome. Good, good. All right, we're going to practice Knuckles' first combination, okay? We're going to practice this one. We're going to go jab, and then we're going to go left hook, uppercut, left hook. Okay, so let's practice that again. Everyone say jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome. Good. We'll do it from this angle too. Ready? I'm going to go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome, good. Again, everyone go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome, good, good. A little bit faster now. Ready? Everyone go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome, good, good. One more time, even faster. Ready? Go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome, good work. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the same exact combination, and what Knuckles is gonna do, he's gonna throw some boulders at us, okay? Now when he throws the boulders at us, we're gonna smash them with our powerful punches, okay? So let's practice that together. Hands up here. Everyone go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome, good. And when you throw that hook, make sure you turn that heel over. You'll get max power that way. Ready? Everyone go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Ready? 2 more times. Ready? Go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome. Good, good. Nice. 1 more time. Ready? Go jab, left hook, uppercut, left hook. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Good. Nice. Okay. Now, next combination we're going to do, we're going to go to the mushroom land. Okay. We're going to go to mushroom zone. So let's go ahead and head over there. Okay. All right. So we're on Mushroom Hill Zone. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to be jumping over from mushroom to mushroom on the mushroom planet. Now, once we get to the very top, there might be somebody there waiting for us. Let's go ahead and see who that is, okay? Ready? We're going to jump on each mushroom. We're going to jump from platform to platform till we get all the way up to the very top, okay? So everyone squat down. Squat, jump. Good job, good. Everyone did the other. Squat, jump. Awesome, good, good. Again, squat, jump. Good, good, again, squat, jump, good, good, again, 2 more times, squat, jump, good, good, nice, again, squat, jump, good, good job, you guys. Oh, would you look at that? It's the Master Emerald. All right, you guys want to see what it's like? All right, let's see. Oh no, Eggman took the emerald and he has it for himself. All right, guys, Eggman's running away. We gotta chase after them, okay? And Knuckles is gonna follow with us. We gotta chase after the emerald and hopefully get it back from Eggman. Ready? Let's set, go, run. Run, 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 run. Hopefully we can get it. All right, when I say jump, we're gonna jump up, try to snap the emerald from Eggman. Ready, set, jump. Oh no. Looks like the Master Emerald got destroyed. It looks like it's scattered everywhere. I don't know where to find it. Do you guys know where to find the emerald pieces? Maybe we just got to explore. Well, lucky for you, Dojo has a tracker, and you can track where all the Master Emeralds are. Can't you, Dojo? Okay, so there are 6 pieces of the Master Emerald. We got to collect them all, so that way we can form the emerald again. Can you guys help me and Knuckles and Dojo do that? All right, okay, so the first place we got to go to, where do we got to go to first, Dojo? Okay, we got to go to Pumpkin Hill. Okay, let's go to Pumpkin Hill. Okay, Now I see the first 3 pieces of the emerald really, really high up. So here's what we gotta do. We gotta climb all the way up to the top, grab the 3 pieces of emerald, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. I want everyone to pick up your knee, just like this. We're gonna climb 1, step 2, step 3. Good job, you guys, keep going. Good, now let's use our arms. Good. Good, good job. Good, keep climbing with me. Good, good job, you guys, keep going. Good. Awesome, all right. We're almost there at the top, but uh-oh, there's a robot chasing us. We gotta make sure we climb really fast. So when I say go, we gotta do high knees, high hands as fast as we can. Ready, set, go. Good, hurry, hurry. Make sure he doesn't get us. Make sure he doesn't get us, keep going, keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome, good job, you guys. We got the first 3 pieces of the Master Emerald. Now there's 3 more pieces left. I wonder where we have to go next. All right, Dojo, where's the next place we have to go to? Okay, Angel Island Zone. Let's go over there. Awesome, all right, we're on Angel Island Zone. This is actually the place where Knuckles is from. So, I don't really see the emerald anywhere, but what's that? What's that, Dojo? It's buried underground? Where? Right here? Huh. So I guess sometimes the emerald gets stuck underground. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to dig as fast as we can. Now here's the thing. We already have 3 emerald pieces. There's a good chance Eggman's gonna find us if we don't get these pieces first. Okay, so here's what we gotta do. We're gonna practice digging. Now when we dig, we're gonna squat down like this, okay? And we're going to scoop all the way, all the way. Now here's the thing. It's gonna be difficult for us to scoop first. So we're gonna practice hammer fist to soften up the ground, and then we'll start scooping them out, okay? So everyone hold a deep squat like this. Good, everyone aim with your hammer fist. And everyone say, Hana. Dur. Set. Net. Toss it. Yas it. Igop. You there? Ahop. Yeah. Awesome. All right, we're gonna dig as fast as we can. When I say go, we're gonna dig as fast as we can, making sure we get the 3 pieces before Eggman does, okay? Ready, set, go. Good, good, keep going, keep holding that spot, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good, 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 good. If you lose your balance, keep trying, keep trying. Ready, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice, good job, you guys. We got all the pieces of the Master Emerald. Good work, high five. Good job, Knuckles. Good job, Dojo. Now, good job, you guys. Now, make sure you stick with the end of this video, because at the very end, I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of one of our exclusive courses over at Dojo Go TV. I'll see you guys there. Hey, homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along the progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.